right, all right, all right. What do we got going on today?
We're not dying.
Not dying. I hope not. That sounds
skydiving.
Skydiving sounds amazing. That explains those fancy suits that you guys are wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
I guess my birthday.
It's your birthday. A birthday jump is the best way to break it in. All right. Well, whose idea was this to go skydiving?
My husband.
Your husband's. Oh, wow. Is he around?
Well, he's in the car with the babies.
He's in the car with the
he's not
babies.
jumping.
Okay, well, if anything goes wrong, we got it on some video. We know what to blame, but ain't nothing gonna go wrong. We're gonna have a good old time up top.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Here we go. Woo-hoo! Looking good.
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Oh my
Those winds pumped up.
Yeah, they
got a little bumpy, but guess what? You killed it.
We made
you did
it.
such a good job. So, what was the color of the bottom of that airplane? Nobody knows. All right, well, you absolutely killed it. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Colorado Springs Skydive. Woo-hoo. One more.